Hi, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Emily.
And we're the owners of Porcelynne. So we have a lot of new things going on, and actually we have a brand new pattern that is coming out today. So before I show it to you, I kind of want to just give you a little bit of an update. We have actually been planning this for a little while, and the two of us are heading out to LA to Gallifrey 1, which is the Doctor Who convention, as you can see by my t-shirt, just sporting it. Anyways, that's in about 2 weeks, so we're kind of excited about that. We actually get to meet. So we're going to get photos with Jodie Whittaker, so I'll definitely share those. Definitely comment if you're a Doctor Who fan below. But hey, why don't we take a look at the new design? Okay, so the new design is called the Brenda Brief, and there are 4 different design options for this. The first 2, so design A and B, are both high-waisted, so they come all the way up to the waist. The other 2, C and D, are actually more of a mid-range for height. So view A, it has this nice little panel over here on the side, and this is finished with fold-over elastic on both the legs and the waist. This piece comes towards the back, so we kind of have, thread. So we have this kind of fun little detail back here. So you can do a little bit of color blocking if you want. The inside has clean finished seams. So that is view A. Yeah, hold them. Where are they? There it is. Okay, view B is a variation that actually uses a lace panel on the side instead of the fabric. So this one also uses fold-over elastic on the leg and the waist. Now you need to be really careful with this, and I have some tutorials coming out in the next few weeks for the sewing of all of these, and it's really important that you actually get the order of construction right. You have to sew the fold-over before you can sew the lace, otherwise you do not have a clean finish. So taking a look at how this is finished in the back, we have this seam over here. So my testers all said, oh, we'd love to have a lower cut. There was a few of them that don't really like the high cut. A few of them love the high cut. So we decided to do a slightly lower cut. But with the lower cut, it kind of interfered with the seam that was back here, and it kind of made for a really funny looking shape. So we changed up the shape a lot, so it really is a completely different design. For this one, I actually used a stretch lace around the waist and the leg. And so in the tutorial, I do show you how to sew this on using the 2 stitches. This one actually has some color blocking, but it actually has a lace design. So there's a little lace panel on the side right here. So it's a little overshadowed by the stretch lace that I have here. But this is option C, and so you can use fold-over elastic on both of these places. You can also use this on view A. For views B and D, I do not recommend the lace around the leg because it could get a little tricky. Not to say you can't do it, but I would recommend doing the fold over on the leg. So view D, the last one. As you can see, it's very similar. It just has the lace on the side, so you can see a little bit more on the shape of this. So there's a larger lace piece versus this. So this one is a little bit more curved around the leg, and this one has more of a lace finnet. So they're very different fits. We have the fold-over elastic on the top and bottom. These are the 4 different views that I have available for the Brenda Brief. Okay, my kid's coming back. She's got my phone. I'm guessing she's trying to schedule something with her friends.
No.
No. So all 4 of these videos will be released over the next few weeks. So make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when a new one of the videos come out. And thanks for watching.